Hola, this is the PDF manager. This is where you can manage your PDF files. I don't have any PDF files right now, so I will upload one sample. So I click on this upload files tab and then choose PDF files. I could choose like 5 or 6 of them at once if I wanted to, if they are like a normal size, total like less than 10 megabytes, then I can upload them at once. And also it depends on my internet speed. If my speed is slow, then I wouldn't do that, but I will do it like one by one. So I just choose one here. Okay, I will choose 2. I copied this. I will choose 2. Okay. So these 2 uploaded right now. The same file, but this and 2 together, like one is 2.95 megabytes. This is 2.95 megabytes. So it's total like almost like 6 megabytes. So if I double click on it, I will see the HTML and title. This title is the title that when you insert this PDF link to a web page, this title will be show up like as a download link that people click on. So I can update this title. I can change this title to something else. If I prefer, so I can change this to anything, and then I can click on update and it will be updated. And then if I wanted to, for example, delete a file, I can choose, I check like this, and then I choose delete, and it will be deleted. So now I have one PDF file, right? So I have a HTML here. So if I wanted to insert this PDF to a web page, I'll come here and I copy this HTML. Okay, I will copy this and then go to any of the pages. For example, if I wanted to insert a PDF link to artist's page, like for example this Lee, and I just click on PDF and I paste the HTML I copied from the PDF manager here, and I will place my cursor on the place that I want this link to be appeared. For example, if I wanted to be appeared here, I will just put the cursor and here, and I just click OK, and then this link will appear like on here, and then I will click update and this link will appear update. Okay, and then I go to artists Leon, and this link will be in here, Deco Style 22, and people click on it, that PDF file will be they can open the PDF file like this. So this is a very good useful feature, I think, for example, if you wanted to put more information about someone but you don't want to mess up your web pages, you can design a PDF file and then put it on some pages as a link, and if people want to see that information, then they will click on that. I will delete this PDF. on that link to see the PDF file. So that's how you use this PDF manager. I can also click on this to, after upload, I can see what file is this.